Hello and welcome to the Campercontact host portal, your central place to manage and optimize your campsite listing. We'll start with your campsite name, followed by your address and GPS coordinates. Accurate location details make it easy for motorhome travelers to find you without confusion. Next, add your contact information, such as your phone number, email address, or website, so campers can easily reach you if they have any questions. In the facilities section, select all the amenities available at your campsite. For example, electricity, water, waste disposal, showers, or even the Wi-Fi. This helps campers quickly see whether your location meets their needs. You can then select the campsite limits, including how many pitches you offer, the maximum motorhome length you can accommodate, and the maximum length of stay. This ensures expectations are clear before arrival. Under pricing, define your seasonal rates within selected dates and add any applicable tourist tax. Keeping prices up to date builds trust and avoids surprises for the guests. The community photos. This section shows off pictures uploaded by the motorhome community. These are authentic images given by campers that give a real impression of the campsite from a visitor's perspective. You can also respond to reviews, allowing you to thank guests, clarify feedback, and show that you're actively involved and welcoming. You can also pin your top reviews by clicking on the pin button. In listing statistics, you can track your performance with insights into clicks and views, helping you understand how campers interact with your listing. Now, depending if you have a visibility subscription, you can write a short introduction about yourself or your campsite and add in a profile picture. Don't forget to click translate so your introduction reaches campers from all over the world. You can then upload photos of your campsite to showcase your facilities, surroundings, and the atmosphere. High quality images significantly increase interest. To go even further, you can upload a video using our URL option or simply add a YouTube link, giving campers an immersive preview of your location. If you'd like to increase your booking opportunities, you can become bookable on Campercontact. To learn more, you can plan a meeting or reach out to our business support team, who are happy to guide you through the entire process. And finally, you can boost your visibility with our Campercontact packages, designed to expand your reach and connect your campsite with even more travelers. By keeping your listing up to date, you attract more campers and create a better experience for every guest. Thank you for being part of the Campercontact community.